Do you know you can create this for companies and they will start paying you? And you as a business owner, you can also create this for your business and use it to advertise your brand. And you as a content creator, you can also create this and use to make money. Welcome. This is the Favorite Academy. Please, after watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me. Let's dive into the tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to use ChatGPT. So you open your browser and type ChatGPT. If you have the app in your phone, you also open it. It's still the same. If you don't have the app, you open your browser, then you see this place say ask anything. You will type your prompts here. This is where we're going to type our prompts. I've already typed my prompts, so I just paste it here. As you can see, I'm just scrolling and going through them. So what you're going to do here is, if you want to copy, if you want to screenshot these prompts while I'm scrolling, just screenshot it. This prompt is very long for me to read them out. If I'm going to read all these things out, this video will be very long. So I don't want the video to be very long. So what you're going to do here is you're going to screenshot it just as I'm scrolling. So in this particular tutorial, I'm using Coca-Cola. So where I put Coca-Cola, you can put your brand name, that is your business name, and remove the Coca-Cola. Then their business, if you have a specific color that you have for your brand, you also indicate the color, because in these prompts I put red because red is also part of Coca-Cola color. So for instance, if you have a yogurt brand, you can put plastic. In this Coca-Cola I put tins. If you check here, I put tin because I'm not using plastic, I'm using the tin. So in your own business, if what you use is plastic or tin, you can also indicate, and also indicate the color. That is the only thing you're going to change: the name, the color, and if the bottle you are using is bottle, plastic, or tin. Then after that, what you're going to do is, you see this plus sign here. We are going to click on that plus sign to bring in your image, your picture, whatever picture that you want to use. I will advise you to use a picture. If it's your brand, use your own picture. Right now I'm using my own picture. After clicking on the plus sign, you click on add photos or files. Then it's going to take you to your gallery. Add photos and files. Then you click on photo gallery. It's going to take you to your gallery. Then you click on the photo that you want to add. So once you're done adding your picture, you go through your prompts. Then you click on create. Then your image will generate. So let's wait and see our result. As you can see, my image is generating. This is the photo that I added. Let's see how the thing is going to come out. Wow, do you see it? This is so beautiful. ChatGPT can generate anything for you, anything that you request for, as long as you put the right prompts. What matters is the prompts. I so much love this. Very, very beautiful. Imagine you creating this for companies. So what you do, once you done, you download it. I can't wait to download this to put. I can't wait. I so much love this. I'm going to tag Coca-Cola for this video. Oh, so just imagine you create this for a company. Um, I can. Do you want me to tell you what to do? Oh God, this is so beautiful. Guys, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So right now I'm going to create another one. This time I'm not going to use Coca-Cola. I'm going to use Fearless Energy Drink. So the only thing I change here is the name. From I just remove where Coca-Cola was. I remove Coca-Cola from there and put a Fearless Energy Drink. That's the only thing I changed, nothing more. Then I also put plastic where there was things. I remove things and put plastic. Then I still upload my image. because I'm not going to use the same image that I used last time. I want to use a different image and see how this one is going to come out. So you can also copy, you can also, sorry, you can also screenshot this one. It's still the same thing. Still the same thing. I just change few things like plastic, the color. I remove red and just ask ChatGPT to give me natural colors. The color of the drinks. No fearless have natural colors. So after that, I click on create. As you can see, my image is generating. ChatGPT is creating my image for me. So let's wait, guys. I can't wait to see the result. Ooh, see the result of this. What do you think? Oh, this is so good. This is exactly what I want. And it's the same clothes that I was putting on. They didn't change anything. Just that my face changed a little bit. But it's almost the same thing, guys. This is so beautiful. Business owner, create this for your business. Use your name. Even if you don't have your own, you don't have a specific, like, let's say you don't have your own bottle, but you have a business. As long as you have a business, you can just create anything and use your name, use your picture, and put this on your status. And tell me why people will not come to your DM to patronize you after seeing something like this. Why? Why would they patronize you? You don't need to have the maybe just Coca-Cola have their own bottle, they have their own brand. You don't need, as long as you have the name of your business, even if you're into hairdressing and you have the name of your business, you can just where I put Coca-Cola, you can decide to put attachment or anything. I don't know if you understand. So after that, you now download your image, and the next video I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you how this image can actually do work. Like this image, maybe this image can drink this drink that is holding. I'm going to teach you that in our next tutorial. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And I hope you also learned something. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.